Look what came in today's mail. I am so excited about this kit. It is Traveling Sorcerer, one of the newest Riolis kits, and I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and let's do an unboxing because I've got to see what's in here. When I saw that this kit was available on mybobbin.com and it was only $17.98, I jumped. And I ordered it. And even with shipping, that made it less than $20, which just seemed almost too good to be true. It's 30 by 21 centimeters. That's a foot by something. It's a good size image. And according to the back, or the information, it contains 14 count white Zweigart Aida fabric and 17 colors of wool acrylic thread. So I got, between the price and the number of colors, I started to worry, is this full coverage or is it a printed background? That white Zweigart Aida means it should be full coverage, but I've spent the past week and a half or so hoping that I wasn't somehow wrong. It came today, and I finally get to see what is in here and put my mind at ease. I love the wagon. I love the trees. I love the wizard. I love the horse. And yes, that is white Aida. This is a full coverage kit. And those aren't a lot of colors, but I've done Riolis kits before. They can do amazing things with a kind of limited color palette. So I am super tickled. And just to let you know, this video is not sponsored by Riolis. They've sponsored a few of my other videos. I ordered this from mybobbin.com. I placed my order on June 7th, and it was in my post office box ready for me to pick up by June 20th. The shipping from them to me here in Oregon, when it's fast, it's fast. I have another package I ordered from them back on March 11th, and it seems to be stalled out in a shipping container somewhere because something happened that was out of their control. They have been in communication with me. They have answered my requests for updates and assured me that it will come. So I'm waiting patiently. It's hard to be patient. And just to give you, to show you a tiny corner of the chart, that looks like it will be really easy to follow. It is large. The colors are different from one another. I am not planning on starting stitching this right this very second. But like I said, I wanted to open it up and make sure that it is indeed full coverage and see what those pretty colors were going to look like. And I'm so happy to have this in my stash. My boys and the whole family is fans of Tolkien and Lord of the Rings, so I think I can stitch this and frame it and put it on our walls and everybody will love it. Let me know, what do you think of this one? Is it something you'd stitch? I'm a little... The back stitching I'm not so sure about, but I am going to trust the designer and believe that it will look great when it is done. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I'll be back with you with more videos soon.